Hello there, I'm Annie Schreck, the botanical researcher here at Mountain Crest Gardens. And today, I want to show you one of our nursery's most popular products, the ultimate succulent sampler tray. Every week, we handpick 50 different succulents that are in their peak season and put them together in this awesome tray. We always include a bunch of different varieties like Echeveria, Haworthia, Sedum, Sempervivum, Crassula, and a ton more. Our ultimate succulent sampler is the easiest, most affordable way to get a wide range of shapes and colors. And like my mom always said, succulent samplers are like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. This makes it great for putting together arrangements or making favors. And in a mix like this, you're super likely to find a really cool plant that you've never seen before. Now, if you want to know the exact genus, species, and cultivar of all the plants included, you're in luck, because we include this handy-dandy ID sheet that lists all of the names of the plants in order. This assorted tray includes both indoor and outdoor succulents. So our frost-hardy Sempervivum and Sedum are happiest when they're outside all year long. And the soft succulents, on the other hand, really like to be indoors and should only really be outside if there's no risk of frost. The succulents are rooted in 2-inch pots and come ready to plant. When they're taken out of this carrier tray, they can be kept in their original pots for a couple weeks with proper care. As always, we want to water deeply, but only when the soil is completely dry. You're also going to want to move them from somewhere with bright shade to partial or even full sun over the course of about 2 weeks to give them time to gradually recover from being in a box. When you do transplant, be sure to use a gritty, well-draining soil, such as a cactus and succulent mix from your local garden center. These adorable rosette varieties range in size from 1.75 to about 2.5 inches wide. And these stemmed guys range from 1 inch to 3 inches tall. Each plant can easily fit into any pot that's 2.5 inches or larger. So this makes them really great for throwing together a bunch of favors. Now, I really like to add top dressing just to give them a really nice polished look. Or you can use them to put together centerpieces and arrangements. These were all put together with a single tray. And so were these. And also these. This tray is also wonderful for quickly filling in a garden area. Just be sure to check the hardiness zone on each plant if you want to keep them outside year-round. And that's the scoop on the ultimate succulent sampler tray. Thanks for watching and happy succulenting!